Hello everybody, happy Monday. Hope you had a great weekend. Christmas is coming up, so happy ho ho ho. And today we're working on Captain Jack Audi R8. We're doing some fine modifications to it.
I have twins.
Nice.
And now actually, guys, you understand why I pumped these turbos and why this turbos is here. Well, finally, our favorite customer, Jack Ultramotive, decided to install twin turbo, because everybody on his vlog always ask him, when you have a turbos, we need a 222. I hope it's just a 222, no more, no, it's like a anyway, this turbo kit from Sheepey Race, and we would like to install this turbo kit, sorry. Probably we have to modify something. I'm sure always need some play, because
not direct bolt on,
maybe some fitment issue, we'll see. This kit many Audi R8 and Huracan already get. This kit already blow many of the engine and make happy many customer with this turbo kit. But we'll see how it's nice and smooth that installation. Of course, we would like to give you guys our review about that turbo kit, about quality, about installation. The first main things, we don't have any user manual for that. We call to Sheepey Race to ask to provide any installation for just like basic users. If you buy it online, of course you have to get some installation, because we don't know brand Sheepey Race, how they install, how they move any line and their design, and we ask for a user manual. We can do without that, but we just want to review this kit first and we'll see. And now we start unpacking and check. This downpipe, this is not Jack,
not from that one,
Lamborghini. Yeah, we just unpacking to see, and we will like to check the quality of the welds. We have a most famous expert in Pacific Northwest, and she gave the review about welding quality. Now it's time to pre-fit this all kit, and I just want to show you guys. Ilya, can we get the flashlight? Yeah, grab the flashlight. It's just like yesterday I little bit inspect how is this things looks. See, somebody cut the intercooler, is not finished properly. Weld this looks amazing. Of course, this is one intercooler. The other one is looks weird too. You can see the inside, that wall, they not cut properly, and this one too. I mean, the quality it's a big question. Yeah, see the weld, they not clean, nothing, just like wow. The other one looks weird too. See, what do you think, Ilya? Can we clean this? Sorry, beep. Same then for that exhaust too. The quality, the inside, it's look like beep. Wow. I mean, this, oh wow. See this, they weld without purge. Same. And Lisa, do you think it's cracked after time? It's possible to crack that weld? Check this elbow. What do you think?
Which one?
Yeah,
The tips one. No, I don't think so.
this one.
I mean, no. It's just a tip, you know.
What about this one?
Yeah, I'm worried about this, guys, more. It's a lot of weight and it's a lot of heat right here.
See, it's not cleaned.
And also, they didn't spray the ceramic inside, so when it's just sprayed outside, there's no point. It has to be sprayed inside too.
You think it didn't work properly?
No.
Yeah.
It should be sprayed inside too. It's okay. It's just aluminum. I mean.
It's just aluminum?
Yeah. Yeah, I know. But it's fine. It is what it is.
Well, no any attention to details, no any quality. This poor quality for me. I'm sure it's gonna be work. I'm sure it's still push the air, but this looks really weird. Okay, let's start to install these things. The rear end is already turned down. Now we have access for this room for installation turbo kit. Of course, we have to work in more on the bottom because we need to drill few hole in the sump pump to return line from turbos. We need to the pressure line. This is just like these turbo kits. They not included water jacket, water cooling on turbos. We just like need a pressure line and return line for turbos. And here is things, guys. You can see the catalytic inside, and we have to drill it and remove the original ceramic catalytic converter from this side and from that. Then normally it's need to pull out the engine, and you know, maybe sometime people install the headers, high flow headers, but in this case we need to remove these cuts. It's a big challenge. It's a lot of mess and, you know, smell, and like it's take about 5-6 hours to remove that, two of them. Now you can see empty one side, and this side is still there. This is ceramic cut. It's a high flow ceramic cut, and now it's out. It's challenge because it's need a drill. You can see the mess everywhere. I hope he installed the new cut after turbos, because before turbos, of course, it's not gonna be work. Now it's a second side. Okay guys, just like we already removed the two catalytic Lisa inside, and we wanna fire up and use the plastic pack for collect all dust from the exhaust, because it's gonna be a lot. But we already vacuum cleaned everything what is possible, but now we just try. Okay.
Ready?
Steady, go.
Having fun?
Yeah, I just like I almost cut the two pieces right there. This is like support, extension, whatever. This from factory for install this adapter. It's a returning line like this, and I need to shave this too, because the line going through this and going to that U-pipe, U-connector from the left and right turbos. This is status of the work for now. Well, now it's time to pre-fit this cooler. You guys, you can see the already the plate. I installed the plate, installed the second housing for the throttle body. One is connected and we just want to pre-fit. It's not a plug and play. We have some cool things. Now actually, after we install this side, we see it's like a really not aligned connection or some problem, and here is the exactly same issue with the other side. You can see we just align this connection. Something wrong. And we talked to Tej. This is only one good thing. The Sheepey Race stage is really good. It's helpful because he reply really fast. Like just we ask question, we get a reply after 1 minute. And he said it's a 2 housing. It's a wrong direction. I mean, it came like that. We not install this housing because like actually we can install these turbos on this side, right? It's impossible. But they installed the wrong housing. Just like we need to remove cold side and then install opposite way. It makes sense. Yeah, it's easy fix, no problem. And then we already install like most all mechanical things, and we need to start install the plumbing line. Let's continue. We switch the housing from left to right, and now actually we have a good connection. And I just pre-fit the wastegate, but now actually I do all setting. The green spring 7 psi, the all fitting already in, some port is blocked, the other one is open and already checked by vacuum pump. Everything is works, and I need to set the other one, and then we can tight the return line, this return line, and jump to pressure line and to adjust the intercoolers. Well, still in progress. We already, guys, fire up. I wouldn't say we already fire up to check the all pressure and returning line. Now we still have access to this. We missing one clamps from this side, and still waiting. The turbos, now it looks in right position, and I need to install the line from this vacuum line to the blow off valve. Just like in the cut, install this adapter, and then I need to install this T adapter, but I have a problem. It's a 2 different thread. Probably the guy who collects all parts, they sent the wrong. You can see this is 2 different thread right over here. This one is going nice and smooth, but I need to install this T connector, and actually no any way. I need to modify it. I don't have time to order this line. I don't have in stock. I just like need to make the new thread. This is only my option. Now it's been modified. I just cut around, take top and make the new thread. You can see. Now it's good. Just like high temp silicone, and should be fine. The throttle body is out, and this what we need to cut, guys. This U-pipe we need to cut, because of course we don't want to remove, and just like need a really gently. I don't want to cut my finger. Okay. Okay, this one it's done. The second one. second one is done. Come on, this and that, and one more, guys, right there. Just let me lower a little bit. Yeah, this one from the PCV valve. Need a cut and take out this U-pipe. Just remove this line, and now already cut this connector from that U-pipe, and let's remove this U-pipe. Just can you hold light for me, please? This guy. Come on, come on. Oops. Or I think I need to cut something more. Yeah. Something. Hold this guy. Okay. Ilya, I need you assist. Now it's that U-pipe is out just like cut a few times. Trash. Yeah, we need to block these two lines, connector, whatever, because they go inside the intake. We have to block this, and then we have this adapter. The Sheepey give this adapter. We need to install, clamp it, and then install back to PCV valve like this, like that, whatever. And then we have a breather line. It's going to this side, the driver's side, and connect to this big fitting. And then we jump to the second thing. This one-way valve we need to remove and flip over and connect this, because we have a boosted car now actually, and we need to connect. Yeah, this you can see. This one-way valve. Flip over and connect to this side. This side. Yeah. I believe this is 6 AM fitting. Continue to work with this car. And now actually we back to crank ventilation system, and we need to remove everything again except this plate to connect crank ventilation system one and other side to the inlet port. And here is the deal, what we need to do. I will show you guys. I want to show what we did. The breather valve from this PCV right here, you can see done. Again, the one more, you remember guys, U-pipe. Now just like this hose connect between a left and right piece of intake manifold. We don't have a blocker, but just install that hose. One more breathing line from this valve. We just like, oh sorry, it's too bright. That valve we install upside down, because this is one-way valve, now it's car boosted, and that valve connected to the passenger inlet turbos. Now it's actually all wiring is done, all except this water cooling. I would like to install the intercoolers back and fire up to check how everything looks.
2 weeks later.
Now it's time to back to this beautiful Suzuki Grey R8 and from our customer, and finish that twin turbo build project. Actually we received all parts after 2 weeks. It took 2 weeks because 1 week I'm been on vacation. Now I am back to work and I have everything what we need. The boost clean. Finally we have a coolant tank with all hardware. Few more stuff, few more hose, and now we can start assembling everything back. And wanna cross my finger, this week we pulled that car on dyno to take a look and probably finish. Now I need to pull out the front bumper to install the radiator and install the coolant tank right there. Let's start. Today is March 6th, 2023, and last week actually we received parts from Sheepey Race. We get a new radiator, cooler, same thing. Few more line, you can see the line. It's not nylon. This is steel. Still one thing's missing, but we figure out we have adapter, and actually this challenge it's almost done because last Saturday I'm little bit work on this car, and now guys actually you can see the different radiator, because before we have the black one, now it's aluminum. And the new radiator can be the fitting, not 10 AN fitting. Before we received the 12. And the tank, now you can see with the reducer, this is like 12 to 10, and this is 10 AN line. I already mount the tank, stripe, drill the hole for overflow and for draining that tank. Need to install the wires, and let me lift it up to show you guys how I install the line and how I connect these lines. Maybe this is help to somebody else to install that kit. Okay, we stopped the last time on this line. See the line going here. Here is the new mounting. The line going there. We connect and tie it right there. It's going up this way. You can see the line right there. Then zip, then connector, and go into radiator. The other side, just like simple. Oh, by the way, this side from two coolers. This is single. This is U connector. You can see it's going this way. Zip right there. Zip right there. And the line going to the tank. Here we have to drill. Right there, guys. We have to drill this hole for draining. I need to just cut a little bit. After I install bumper and adjust. Now I can install all panels back, because here is the steel line to protect the drive shaft, and here is the trunk, bonnet, whatever you call them. This is cover, the cover right there. After I install bumper, I want to install everything back, and then yeah, actually we need to start tune this car, not VR, the Sheepey Race and the tuning file, and we pull this car on dyno. But before we have a little bit drive around to make sure everything is good, no leaks, coolant leaks, because we need to fill and connect the wire. I will show you how to connect the wires. More surprise, we have a coolant leak after we start building the system, I see the leaks, and actually I don't know if it's possible to see these leaks came from this fitting, and that fitting is damaged. I didn't see that. Now it's like I need to remove that cooler and check how it's possible to fix. Well, yeah, my fault, I didn't inspect that before. I didn't see that. Now it's just like, or I have two choices, or just try to fix that, or cut and install the new fitting to the cooler. Oops, follow down. The cooler is out, and this guy looks good. I can see that, but the other one, is bended. I didn't check this one, and here is the leaking. You can see the step from this one, but that one is leaks. I don't know if it's possible to fix. Maybe I try. If not, yeah, we have to cut and weld the new fitting. Actually, looks like we fixed it. You can see, guys, now it's good, and you can see the full contact all around. Yeah, and that is damaged side. How I fix? Simple. I just take 8mm socket, just gently move around like this, and then take the fitting, old one, I mean not old one, the extra one, added just a surface paste, gradient paste compound, and just slightly tight and turn 360 like 15-20 times, and then take the good clamps and tight and check the surface, and now everything is good. Looks like just spent extra 1 hour, but we fix it because welded, cut welded is like give them more problem because it's already powder coated, you know. Yeah, we saved that fitting. Wanna install back and check leak again. Hey, looks like done. No leaks from this area. Yeah, just actuate the pump. I feel like circulation. Nice. Well, guys, we are finished assembled. Yesterday I finished assembling the front. Now it's bumper in, you can see. Ilya, come on, show how is the inside. Clean, nice. The wiring is done, our line is done, already connected, bumper installed in, all bottom covers, everything is good, and the car is ready for Dynatune. But today morning we just like we text to Sheepey about tune, and actually you can see, guys, what's up, man? I talked to Alex, he won't have a time till next week because of Texas 2K. Well, Texas 2K, we are your customer, guys. What do you mean Texas 2K? Yes, I know, I understand. Now it's actually, today is March 8th, and we start this journey when? Before some mid of December 2022. Yeah. Now it's March 8, 2023. 3 months and still some nothing. It's like, well, okay, let's wait until they finish Texas 2K, but I believe this is couple weeks. I don't know. I'm really disappointed. We still have this car inside the shop. Car is run and drive. Yes, we can move in and out, but actually,
The customer is waiting patiently.
yeah, I mean, this is nothing from us, and we still have some problem. Well, it's a good challenge. We'll see.
Thousands of tears later.
Now it's little update, guys. You can see the R8 here, and today it's March 21st and Sheepey is back from Texas 2K, and looks like we finish probably today this deal with this car, because so long time. Actually, we need he already registered a Unitronic cable. We need to upload and download and do the login. The first we need to download Unitronic software, then connect the cable. Whew. Actually, this is good. And the last video you can see from March 8th, now it's March 21st actually. Well, I will cross my finger to finish this car and return to Jack, because Jack is now it's over 3 months waiting for it. Well, guys, I would like to say officially this project is done.
Several months later.
And already over 1,000 miles on this setup from Sheepey Race Stage 1 Turbo Kit. Kit is reliable. This is really good amount of power, over 200 wheel horse over stock. I mean, this is the perfect for daily driving, and for our Washington Seattle 92 pump gas. Car feels really good. Few problem, like not really good attention to details, but the turbo kit works. Actually, now it's little bit more than 2 months after we finish this car. Everything looks perfect, no any problem, no leak, no crack. I mean, it's good. And one more problem for us, we little bit wait long time. And if you have a time, just like you have to prepare at least 1 month for this installation. I hope the Sheepey Race really soon make the PDF or online some vlog video, YouTube video about the turbo kit installation with the attention to detail, like this fitting to this area, you need a tight, this thread. But guys, just like a little bit more time than you imagine for that installation. Anyway, I would like to say thank you. Thank you Sheepey Race, thank you Jack Ultramotive for this opportunity to build beautiful car, bring more smile. Stay tuned.